Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp backup on OPPO Reno15 FS. Okay, to do it we need to simply open up the settings in our WhatsApp, but first go into chats, open up those three dots, and that's how we can launch the settings. Now scroll down, find the chats, scroll down again, and click on chat backup. Okay, let's begin with the Google account. Simply click on that, and in here we need to select on which account we want to create our backup. Currently, in my case, this Google account is selected, and it is really important that you cannot forget on which Google account you are making your backup, because if you want to restore that backup later in the future, you'll need to be signed in into the exact same Google account that you'll select during the whole process. Of course, if you want, you can click on Add Account and sign in into different. Down below we have the automatic backups. Defaultly this option is turned off. In my case I have selected the monthly mode, so now the backup will be made each month and I don't need to do this manually. Pretty cool thing. You can of course pick the modes available on the screen. Let's also include the videos in our backup. Always turn it on. And on the bottom we have end-to-end encrypted backup. This is an extra security feature. It's not necessary to turn it on. It's up to you. If you choose to turn it on, you'll be able to create a unique password that you'll need to type in the future if you want to restore your chats. But be aware that if you create a password and when you forget it, simply you won't be able to restore anything and everything will be lost. So if you choose to create it, don't forget it. But just like I'm saying, it's not necessary at all to create the backup. You also need to have some free storage space in your Google account. In my case, everything is okay, so I have a lot of space, so I won't delete anything. And now to create a backup, hit this green button. The process will now begin. In my case, it won't take long because I don't have many messages. Okay, when this bar disappears, it means that everything went fine. You can take a look on the last backup. We have the hour, so we can compare. Everything is the same, so our backup has been successfully created. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.